Hi there, welcome to another edition of myABCdad, a place where we can learn together. My name is Craig and this is
Elliot.
And in today's session, Elliot and I are going to be playing a game called Climb 25. So we hope you can join us for that, and let's get started. Okay, so for Climb 25, a couple of things that you'll need. You'll need to build your dice first, and what we use is a little stiffer card. Run a bit of stiffer card through the printer, and then cut that out and build the dice. And there's a cube for take away and add, and then there's 2 game cubes, one for each player. An eraser. And then these little soft cloths can help as well, erasing. And what we've done is for the game card, we laminated them so that we can use Bic erasable whiteboard markers with a fine tip there, and we can record and then erase it and play again and again. So what we'll do to start is put our names.
That was already there, my name.
It was. We erased it, didn't we?
Because it would be easier, I just follow the lines.
Okay. There we go. And what we'll try and do is make sure when we roll the dice, we'll see if we can keep the dice in the picture frame. May not always be successful, but we'll try. So would you like to go first? The most handsome goes first?
Because you never win.
Oh, right. Okay. Your turn then. You go. You show us how we start. So we want to roll it, yeah, right about in there. There we go. So what does that, it says choice, so what do you get to do, Elliot?
Choice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which
Three.
one? 3, okay, so you can fill in 3.
From 3.
Shade in 3 circles.
1, 2, and 3.
Nice clear voice as well, that's fantastic. It's easier to keep track.
And then look, her map.
Yeah. So you get to go again, right? But let's keep track of where you are. So 0 plus 3.
So the plus is already there.
The plus is there, yeah.
I do 3.
And then you haven't finished your turn, so we won't mark. You can mark it down beforehand if you want. Yeah? So we don't have to do it after. There we go.
Okay. And
the green plus there means Elliot gets to roll again.
This one? And then this.
Yeah, this one here is only rolled, this dice, if you land on a circle that has both the plus and the negative arrow. Take away arrow.
5.
5. Okay. So you shade in another 5.
Okay, you're up. Wait a bit. Catch up here.
Remember to keep track.
1, 3.
Oh. You missed 2.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so what do we need to add here? We need to add a plus, and then your second roll was 5.
5. What?
There's the picture of a 5. If you're not sure, write on the dice.
Because I'm looking which way is directing, this way or this way.
It's great to look for evidence.
Yeah.
And what does that equal? Where are you at right now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, so that equals 8.
So here?
Yep.
8.
Okay, so Dad's turn to try and catch up. Let's borrow this pen here.
You can't because it's
Choice. Ooh.
choice is
Right.
3, right?
So
3.
I'm gonna. Yeah, that's the most obvious one there. 3,
Because
1,
after you can redo
2, 3. So like you, I started with 0 plus 3. This is my first turn. I haven't finished yet. Let's see. 2.
it. 2.
So I add 2, 1,
So you're at 5.
2, and plus 2. And yes, I am at 5 equals 5. Your turn. Oh, before you start your roll, let's make sure you record where you're at. So you're 8 and then plus to begin with.
So where?
You're writing your second turn to start by writing 8 plus. There's the pen there.
So
And then a plus. Hopefully you'll be adding to that a lot. Okay? And give it a good roll.
give it a good roll for 2.
Or choice, I guess. Oh, let's put that in a picture here. There we go.
3.
3.
Just half.
Just missed it. 1.
2 and 3.
Okay, so
That
you
takes me
record how many you rolled there. 8 plus. This is your second turn, yeah.
then
Plus how many did you roll?
3. So I do a 3.
Yep. Okay, now is that the same as that one? Okay, here, you can. Yeah, always good. With the numbers like 3 and 5, I find looking for evidence first, just to check. Make sure it's going the right way. There we go. And what does that equal altogether? Where are you at?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. So that equals 11.
11. So I do
Yeah, just past the equal sign there.
11.
Okay.
11 here.
And then 11 down there if you want to get a jump start on your next turn, you bet. So I'm going to start my second turn by starting with 5, because that's what I ended with last turn. 5 plus, I'll record this as my turn number 2. And here we go. 1. Okay, well,
1.
who knows? We'll
Who
see.
knows?
So I am at, 5 plus 1, and now I get to roll again.
Away?
Yep,
What?
I roll first 4.
Do you take away 4?
Do I go ahead, add 4, or do I take away 4?
Away
Oh!
4. Hey!
Okay, so watch what happens. 1,
Okay.
2,
Right here.
3, 4. So I took away 4,
And right now you're at
and now I'm back to
2.
2. Okay, your turn. Okay, and after 5 turns, what do you need to mark here? Lovely. It's a nice way to keep track that you've had 5 turns. And now it's my 5th turn, so I'll start 12 plus, put a turn here, and hopefully it's a good one. There we go. 5 again. Oh, I keep rolling 5s, that's not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Caption
So 12 plus 5, and that gets me to 17. Ah, it's choice. So what does that mean? What are you going to choose?
3.
3? Okay.
1, 2, 3. What? 1.
So 22 plus 3.
Takes you.
Fill in your...
So,
What was your roll? What did you choose?
3.
3. Okay. And where are you at?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25. Okay. Okay, 25. So you finished. And how many turns did it take you to get to 25?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 turns, okay. Oh, 4. So can I go?
0.
1, 2, 3. Nope. So I have to record 0. So I'm still at 22. And that was my 9th turn. 22 plus, there we go. Oh, there's a choice. Thank
3.
goodness, yeah.
But I wouldn't
22
look at my
plus
time.
3. 1, 2,
3.
3. And I'm at 25 finally. And
But I wouldn't because
wow. I have 10 tallies or 10 turns. How many did it take you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right. So who got to the finish first?
Me.
You did.
Because look at my rules.
Good game.
Yeah.
Good game. Okay.
I all the time win.
Okay, so that finishes our game of Climb 25, and it took Elliot 6 turns to climb 25, and it took me 10 turns. But we both really enjoyed it, and we're going to have a handshake. Good game. Because it doesn't matter who wins or loses, does it? Right? It's always good to just enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Okay? So please... join us for future videos on the website www.myABCdad.com, and you can also find access to download this game as well. So we'll see you soon. Bye.